Hey guys.
Alee of the Beautified Life. Today I want to show you how to make an animated intro, aka an intro for a YouTube video. So basically, if you don't have Canva, Canva is a Photoshop alternative, which in my opinion is much better. I love it. I always say it's bomb because it is. And if you upgrade to Canva Pro, and just side note, not sponsored, not affiliated with Canva in any way, although if they want to sponsor me, I wouldn't say no because I love Canva so much. So Canva Pro allows you to have all kinds of different features that you don't get with the free one, including the ability to make animated intros. So let's dive right into it. So once you go to canva.com and create an account, if you don't already have one, then you'll see this page here. So you're going to go up to create a design, and then you're going to find YouTube thumbnail, or you can just type it in, and then it's going to bring you to a new page. So on the new page, we have templates first, and it shows you all different kinds, like music, YouTube, thumbnail, food, beauty, YouTube, travel YouTube, all results. So you basically have everything you need right there. You can also go to photos, and some of these are free. Some of these are only free if you're a Canva user. You just click on it and use it. And then there's elements. There's all kinds. You can type in the search bar here for anything. Let's say I want to look for computers. I'm in capitals. So you see all these different options here. And then you can actually go to the stickers, which is animated. So if you go to stickers, click see all, there's all these different things, even these little word stickers like savage, shook, turnt. I'm not sure what turnt means, but anyway, all these different really cute things. And then you can just search, like if I want to do arrows, for example, let's just say arrow. And then there's all these different ideas, and that's bringing it from all of the elements. So not, that sounds funny, but it's bringing it from not just stickers, but from everything here, like featured, see how there's illustrations, icons, social media, web and SEO, stuff like that. So that's what Element is, and then text is pretty self-explanatory. Because I have Canva Pro, I was able to make a brand kit, which I'm not going to show you right now. Well, you know what, I'm just going to quickly show you. So right here is where my brand kit is. And as you can see, I have a transparent logo right here and another one that's not. And then I have my brand fonts here and my brand colors. So that's why right here I already have this ready to go. And then I could just click on these, and for text you can just resize it like this, or you can click over here and you can just pick the size you want until you find the right one. You can also make it longer, so if you have a sentence and you don't want it to be like, you know, this big horizontal block, then you can resize it. So anyway, we're going to get rid of those. So if you just click on it, on anything that you want to delete, and just go up here to delete, you can do that, or you can just click on it and click delete on your keyboard and it's gone. And then there's videos, so there's some video clip ideas, which is really neat. Background, so there's like textured background, regular colors, and then upload. So that's where you can upload any photos you want. These are all for videos, that's why there's a lot of screenshots going on. That's for a video I've been working on. So basically we're going to go up to templates and we're going to pick a template. So let's pick this one. This is a pretty common one. Right away I can tell I want to use my own brand font. So I'm going to pick this one, Selena. So as you can see, some of these have a little crown on them, and that's because it's only available for Canva Pro users. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change this to my own Beautified Life. Oh, can't spell today either, apparently. Okay, and then click on the bottom one, and then I usually just write Boss Babe, Beauty, Health, because that's what my YouTube channel is about. And I'm going to resize this, so I'm just going to click on this, and I'm just going to make it a bit bigger, and I'm just going to move it over a little bit. And I'm going to change the color, I think, with this one. Oh, and this one too. Actually, you know what? We're going to keep the bottom one black. And then I'm just going to resize this so that it fits a bit better. And obviously this is not me, so we're going to get rid of that. And I'm going to go to uploads, and I'm going to pick a photo of myself. So we're going to pick this one, and as you can see, there's this little thing right here where you can just resize it, and that crops it. So there's a difference between resizing it like this by using the corners to resize it, or to actually, like, see, I'm cutting off half my face. So that's quite different. So what I want to do is make it just basically my face, my headshot, and I'm going to make that smaller. Okay, and then this button here will actually let you just go like this and turn it whichever way you want. And because this is now behind, this thing right here is now behind it, I can click on that and go up to position, and I can click forward. So now that's just going over my photo a little, so I'm going to want to move that over a little bit. And again, I think I'm going to make this a little bit bigger again. Yeah, that's good. And maybe make this a little bit bigger. And this little thing under there needs to be poking out a bit more. And just a little bit bigger. Okay, so we have all these different elements, and obviously you could make, I'm sorry, excuse me. Obviously you could use whatever template you want, or you could just make one by scratch. It's totally up to you. And I'm actually just going to change this background so that it is a little bit darker. Yeah, like that. There we go. Okay, so basically this is all you do. So when you're done making your intro, then all you're going to do is go up here beside download, and you're going to click show more, and you're going to click automation. Sorry, animation. Wow, I'm really off my game today. And then as you can see, fade, that's what fade looks like. Pan, which is cute. Block. Rise. Breathe, which just sort of slowly brings it to the surface. And slide, which just slides in. And the simple one, you can, I'm not sure what it is because it never shows a preview. There's slow, medium, fast. So I think I'm going to just do fade. And then what you want to do is make sure the file format is saved as MP4. And if it's not saved as MP4, you're going to have an issue importing this into your video. Whether you then transfer this file to your phone and edit on your phone, or if you do it on your computer using iMovie, or because right now I'm using a Mac, so I do have the option to use iMovie. There it is. But on my laptop, I do have a few other programs. I think one's called OpenShot, and there's also Movie Maker. But I actually like editing for my phone. I have something called no, I think it's KineMaster, and I do pay for that, but honestly, it's worth it. So if you're doing this from your phone, you can definitely create a YouTube channel right from your phone. Oh, little pop-up coming up. So anyway, I'm going to stop blubbering. So all you would do is hit download. So I'm not going to do that because I've already downloaded a ton. So as you can see, this is what it's going to look like when it arrives on your screen. Okay, so that's basically it. And as I said, you can use any of these templates you want. You can even search for a certain template. Like, let's just show you, like, let's say beauty, and just click on beauty. So anything to do with beauty, it just all shows up. And you can edit these, make them however you want. And then as long as you save them the right way, which again, you just go over here and you'll have to click see more or more or something like that, and click animation and pick the one that you want. And then make sure it's saved as MP4, click download, and ta-da, all done. So that is how you create an animated logo, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your bell notification so you don't miss another video. I'm going to have a lot of boss babe type videos, social media marketing, how to make money online, blogging, stuff like that. And I also will have some beauty tutorials, well, a lot of them, and health, wellness, and mental health. So there's going to be a whole slew of different videos. And as you can see on my channel, I do have a few like commentary / drama videos, which I like to just call it investigative journalism. But anyway, it is drama. So I think I will phase that out of my channel, depending what the response is from my audience. But basically, you know, boss babe, beauty, and health are the three main things. I would recommend, although I am a new YouTuber, I am not new to SEO, so search engines in general, and blogging and having a target audience. So I would suggest always sticking with three at the very most, three topics. Anyway, that is everything, and I hope you guys have a great morning, afternoon, night, whatever time it is when this video finally hits you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification. Bye, guys.